Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys where you can find the Style Showdown prize on Dress to Impress. So go to the dressing rooms and you're just going to go in one of them. Go to this trophy section over here, or just this one. So if you're here, it's not going to show. You'll have to go to the trophy one to find the prize. So as you can see, you get these gloves, you get this really awesome headpiece, as well as this super cute dress with toggles. And that is it for this video. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.